so we are going to start today IPv6. It is of how many bits? Okay, so 128 bits. So it is almost like 4x, or it's even more bigger than IPv4. Okay, so IPv6 is so big, even you can give this IP to all the objects in the world. So still हमारे IP बच जाएंगे. Okay, IPv4 is just an address. Okay, so IPv4 is in binary. So you can see these are the fields in IPv4. So what is the limitation of IPv4? Why we are moving to IPv6? Because there is a address depletion. IPv4 is running out. Okay, so lack of end-to-end connectivity, because there are a lot of things we have to do, NAT and all. Okay, NAT will convert your private IP and public IP, and which will actually increasing the network complexity, that you have to convert the private IP into public into private. So IPv6 is a basic. In IPv6, you can see it is again developed by ITF, Internet Engineering Task Force. So ये देखो कितने IP होते हैं. So 1 billion has 9 zeros, and IPv6 is this much. So there are a lot of IPs, and the packet header is also improved. There is no need for NAT because इतने ज़्यादा IP हैं. We have a lot of IPs. So IPv6 header, if you check, compare with IPv4, it is very simple. Source IP, destination IP, and there is a version which is IPv6. This is a traffic class like quality of service. Suppose you want to send one packet on priority. So that is called quality of service. You need to improve the quality of service of the packets, which is this field traffic class. So flow label is an informed device to handle identical flow labels. Okay. Like suppose you have a lot of traffic, okay, and how the device is going to handle that traffic. Okay, like kind of a COS, but it's little different. Payload is basically your data. Next header and hop limit is similar to your TTL value. Okay, so IPv6 is like it has a unicast, multicast. In IPv6, we do not have broadcast. Okay, so unicast basically any IP start from 2000 to 3FFF is a global unicast. So most of the times you are going to see these IPs in IPv6. So link local is like your private IP address, or it's like a same IP. Like these are generated by computer itself. So here we have multicast address like 224 series hoti thi na, like class D series 224 to 239. So these are the similar multicast. The multicast of IPv6 send the traffic on FFA 05, FF06 for OSPF, FF09 for RIP, right? So 2 to 4 ki jagah FF something, it is going to append FF number, which is the IPv6 number reserved for multicast. Okay, you can create a loopback also. IPv6 has 8 groups. How many blocks? 8. So there is no like a specific class ABC in IPv6. ABC का कोई logic नहीं है यहाँ. So the simple logic is network and host. Suppose if you put a IPv6 IP, and then you put a 64. Here also you give IPv6 and put 64. What is 64 network part? So it means the two computers should have the first 4 portion should be same. So ye bhi 64 means till here we are going to check if they are same, they will communicate with each other. So let me write in a IP. So first of all, how the IPv6 looks like, it's a hexadecimal number. So I will write like 2001 0001. Okay, then put a lot. You can put zeros. So how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last group is 1. So can you imagine, guys, this is one IP. ये एक IP है. So you can see 8 groups, 2001, 001, 0000000. In the last we have 1. Okay, so the similar way we are going to assign this IP on laptop 1. Like maybe I have given laptop here 0002. So if I'm going to give this IP with the /64, तो अगर मैं ये IP, okay, so remember we have how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो ये एक ग्रुप, in every group we have 16 bit and it is going to write in the 4 digits. ठीक है. In IPv6 we can shorten the address. हम short में लिख सकते हैं. So how the computer is shortening it to very low number? कैसे इसने किया? So first of all, so whenever you see a consecutive zero, जैसे ही इकट्ठे zero आ रहे हैं, okay, so you can see just groups. So from where to where we have consecutive zero till here to here, right? So we can reduce them and we will put a double colon here where we have put here double colon. And this 0001 will be written as 1 and this 001 will be also written as 1.